Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Possum Sisters. In this video, we are going to show you how to make an easy DIY with balloons and pistachio shells. These are the requirements: glue, scissors, paint brushes, palette, watercolors, newspaper, and finally the main important two things, balloon and pistachio shells. This is a small tip on how to remove the pistachio shells. Easy way of separation. Blow the balloon as shown in the video, the same shape. Cut the newspaper into rectangular pieces of any dimension of your wish. Now, apply glue to the rectangular papers and stick it to the balloon. You can stick multiple layers to be strong. We have used 4 layers. How many layers if we add, that much strong container we'll get it. Apply more glue to the sides and edges. This is the final output. Let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. Then take some watercolor and apply to the paper. This is not a mandatory thing. We have just applied to look beautiful. Please use light colors. Just apply only once and don't apply continuously on the same area. Now take the pistachio shells one by one and apply the watercolors on them. You can take your favorite colors. We have taken a mix of both light and dark colors. Let it dry for some time. Then take a small tape or any round shaped thing and place it on the balloon and then put the outline with a marker. Remove the tape. Now burst the balloon with a needle. Since we have pasted multiple papers on the balloon, it will not burst with a big sound. It will take some time. The air will go slowly and the balloon will get finally bursted. Now take out the balloon pieces outside. See, now we have got a strong vase. Vase in the sense flower vase base. Now take a scissor and cut the top part on the outline slowly, so that the shape should not be go wrong, because it will the entire effort will get wasted if you do a mistake in this part. Do slowly so that the round shape comes very perfectly. Rotate it and then cut it slowly. Now throw the upper part outside. You can see the perfect shape of the flower vase which we have got now. Now apply the glue and paste all the shells which you have painted before. You can paste it on any pattern which you want. We have taken one round for each color and pasted it. You can take also the multicolored shells and you can paste it side by side, or single color continuously, or any ways. Rows, columns, your wish, you can make it. Just press it gently. Don't press it too much because the paper will shape will go off. Like this, paste each shell side by side without any gaps. Previously we have painted the yellow color. The reason is actually, what is the reason is that actually when we paste the shells side by side, we'll find some gaps, some minute gaps. To fill that gaps, we have painted it with light yellow color. You can take any light color so that in between the gaps it will look colorful. Nobody will actually know that it is a newspaper until you say. This is a very easy DIY which you can make it yourself at home. This is one of the best example for best out of waste. Paste only small amount of gum as shown in the video, because if you apply more, the paper may get wet. Since the balloon we have taken is a little medium size, so the shells also more it is being taken. So based on the size of the balloon, the number of shells will be sufficient. Now you can see it's looking beautiful. Similarly, take the other shells also and paste it one by one. We have taken one round for one color each, like the dark color, light color, a mix. You can take multicolors or a row or column with your favorite colors and you can fill it. Just paste everything so that paper is not visible. Now the beautiful vase is ready. It's looking very colorful also. Now take the vase, place it on the table with the support down and place all the flowers in that vase. As you see, it's looking very beautiful. Colorful and beautiful flower vase is ready. We have also made one more flower vase with the pista shells only, but they are uncolored. And we have placed a money plant inside that. You can see this is an uncolored flower vase, but also it is looking more beautiful. Simple and easy way. Home decor. Best out of waste. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Possum Sisters. Also don't forget to click on bell icon for timely notification.